Assalamu alaikum everyone. As I have started a series of lecture on antibiotic. Today is my 15th lecture and today's topic for discussion is protein synthesis inhibitor. What are protein synthesis inhibitor? Protein synthesis inhibitor are drugs that block bacterial protein production. You all know that whenever there are no protein, there will be no enzyme, as all enzymes are made of proteins. There will be no cellular repair because the cell repair require protein, require enzyme, and when there are no enzyme, no cell repair, there will be no bacterial growth. There are type of ribosome. One is the bacterial ribosome, the other is a human ribosome. The bacterial ribosome is 70S, while the human ribosome is 80S. So the bacterial ribosome is further made up two subunits. One is the 30S, the other is 50S. While the human ribosome is made of 40S and 60S. Some of the antibiotic inhibit the 30S and some of the antibiotic inhibit the 50S, but there are no antibiotic that inhibit the 40S or 60S. So the protein synthesis inhibitors mainly target the bacteria, not the human cell. So they are selective. They cannot harm the human cell. The protein synthesis inhibitor have a selective toxicity. They affect only the bacteria, not the human cells. Protein synthesis inhibitor are divided into two types. The first type is the 30S inhibitor, the second is 50S inhibitors. The next video I will explain one by one each of the protein synthesis inhibitor, but here this video is just for introduction of protein synthesis inhibitor. So 30S inhibitor include the aminoglycoside and the tetracycline. How you can memorize this? That the aminoglycoside and tetracycline are the 30S inhibitor. So A is first in the English alphabet. So the 30 is also first, then the 50. So the aminoglycoside inhibit the 30s. While the tetracycline have T, so the T here you can stand the T for 30. So the aminoglycoside and tetracycline inhibit the 30s ribosome. The rest inhibit the 50s ribosome. These include the clindamycin, which is the lincosamide, the chloramphenicol, the linezolide, which is included in a class called the oxazolidinone. So I will explain each of these antibiotics one by one in the next videos. As antibiotics are classified into three types. The one is on the basis of the mechanism of action, the other is on the basis of the effect, the other is on the basis of the spectrum of activity. So on the basis of mechanism of action, I have uploaded a detailed video on this, while on the basis of the effect, the antibiotic classified into two types. First type is the bacteriostatic, the second is the bactericidal. So the bacteriostatic stop the growth of the bacteria, while the bactericidal kill the bacteria. So this is all about on the introduction of the protein synthesis inhibitor. Stay connected to my channel as I will upload the protein synthesis inhibitor one by one with detail. So thanks for watching the video.